Are you looking to buy your next home, but have to sell your current home first? Up until now, you have only had 3 options. Write weak offers that are contingent on the sale of your house, or putting your house on the market and hoping you find your next home before it sells, or sell your house and move into temporary housing until you find your next house. Let's face it, these are all terrible options. That's why we created a better way. Introducing our Buy Before You Sell program. Now, you can buy and move into your next home before selling your old home. Eliminate the stress of coordinating 2 real estate transactions at the same time, keeping the house in perfect condition and having to leave for showings, open houses, and inspections. Here's how it works. First, get qualified for the program. We need to verify 3 things. Does the home you are selling qualify? Does the home you want to buy qualify? And last, we need to make sure you can qualify to purchase your next home. Next, we'll start the search for your new home. When you find the right one, we'll work with you and our investor to write up a cash offer for your new home. Once the offer is accepted, we'll move through the transaction just like any other home purchase with inspections and repair negotiations. Once the investor has closed on your new home, you can immediately move in. Once you are moved in, we'll put your old house on the market. Once that home sells, you'll buy your new home back from the investor. To find out more about our Buy Before You Sell program and see if you qualify, go to buybeforeyousellaz.com. Brought to you by Diamondback Real Estate.